Time to march, boys. We're taking that position.
Light infantry section on standby.
Australia's finest, ready! Aussie rats here!
Lot had orders in yonks. Sappers ready.
What have you got? Aussies taking ground!
We hear you've got trouble. Forward, lads. Eyes peeled. Sappers reported. Position taken. Australian infantry are in reserve.
Light infantry, on the field!
Digging out the section, command post. Royal Engine round needs taking, boys.
You need light infantry? Secure in location.
Sappers reported.
Maintain distance! Infantry! Listen up! Aussies confirmed! Where are we going? Crikey! MG's opened up on us! Light infantry, here! The lads are setting up...
Sap, lead on, David. Stop it now, huh? And here we go. We've got orders to move, so move.
Australian infantry are in reserve.
Fire!
Aussies here! Pin them down! Do as I say! Reload! No! Open his dead! There you are!
Royal Engineers on the field and ready for your orders.
Bloody gypsies firing on us! Down! Sappers, pin down! We need out!
Here! Aussies here!
Sappers, fall back now!
Commander, got him on the back foot! Archer, lay into him! Listen up, all of you! Archer! Light infantry! That's it! Give it to him! That's it, lads! Listen up! That's it, lads! Infantry, get it back! Engage!
Sappers on site. Oh, we need it elsewhere.
Shift fire! Point cover it! Secure! Aussies, hit it, you dumbass! It'll tear us apart! Stop! Gather! Commander! Marching! Oh, get out of here! Retreat!
Sappers, lads.
Got it!
We're moving.
Reload! Light infantry, here!
Sappers, are you gonna shift some dead weight? Show that here, boys. Going.
Just get back!
Here we go.
Head for right!
Royal Engineers, ready. Hold your asses! Move! Yeah, we're moving! Get moving! Oh wait, HMG gone! Oh, I don't want to fucking do that again! Stow that gear, boys! Go in. Take cover! Under enemy fire, yeah? Retreat! Come on! Sappers,
Making headway to the target!
We have infantry support. Australians, no less.
Light infantry ready to go! Fully reinforced! Grab your gear! Aussie rats here!
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Sappers, we've got orders to move. So move.
You need light infantry? Alright, we're setting our sights and moving out.
Withholding reinforcements, Commander.
Aye, we're ready. On it. Starting construction. Receiving order.
All nearby infantry will be reinforced, Commander.
Get them follow in. Royal engine. We're needed elsewhere, lads. Let's get to it. Apparently it's better over there. Move.
We're back to full strength. The platoon command post is done.
Get it, Ant. Get moving. We're all tore up. Taking fire.
Where are we? All right, moving forward. In with you, lollygagging and mad. Aussie rats here. What have you got? Rifles up, pass.
Awaiting
The Huns have 300 points at the moment.
Buzz it. Sappers, we're ready. Far too close for comfort. Taking hits.
Like we've never marched before.
Orders. Off your asses. Move. What's the task? Back it up, lads.
The lads are
We're
accounted for. Setting our sights. Engage on sight.
Sappers, time to march, boys. Come on.
Weapon emplacements are available for construction.
Royal engineers, ready.
Making headway to the target. Start working,
Sappers
lads.
reporting.
You need light infantry.
Hold firm. The enemy have 250 points
We're
left.
under fire. My cover, you got. Yeah, we're moving. Ah, run, Sappers. Run.
Aussie rats here. Job done.
Raring to go.
What a beauty. Moving forward. Rifles up. Asses in gear. Making headway to the target. Setting our sights and moving out.
We're moving, lads.
What have you got?
Initiating rollout of battlefield commissions for the men.
You need light infantry?
Sappers, pack it up,
Here
lads.
you've got trouble. Making headway to the target. Rifles up. Asses in gear. All right, moving forward.
Enemy is down to 200 points.
Keep your bloody heads down!
Infantry training completed.
Aussie rats here!
Orders. Jump. Get in. Royal engine. Now, eyes open.
We hear you've got our sights and moving out.
Stuart light tanks requisitioned. Stand by.
Pack it up, lads. We've got on. What? Go then.
What are we burning?
Where are we going? Rifles up, asses in gear!
Sappers reporting.
Covering this
Little stroll into Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about. They'll break me! Keep at them! Hunt those bloody troopers down! Secure that position! Drive them out!
You need light infantry?
Sappers, here!
We have a surplus of command points, Commander.
Rifles up, asses in gear! On setting our sights and moving out.
Sappers on. We're needed elsewhere. Far too close for comfort! Taking hits! Orders.
Keep the pressure on. They only have 100 points.
Get back order! Outside! No questions! Just bloody stop, will you?
Work's done
Pack
here.
it up, lads. We've got orders. We're getting in. Sappers, sir! Up! Get out front, Sappers! Fall back now! Settle in.
In with you, lollygagging.
The beggars are threatening them. Enemy down to 75 points. We have them now.
Set sight! Stow that gear, boys. We're going.
Weapon teams will receive training immediately.
We're raring to go.
We have munitions ready to be used, Commander. Last man up to bat. They're down to only 50 points.
What have you got? Quick!
Weapon teams have finished their training, Commander. The enemy have only 25 points left.
Move in. After you. You need light infantry.
We're losing a victory point.
Aussie rats neutralized.
Once more onto the breach. 10 points remain.
We've got a war to win.
The enemy has our victory points now.
Pass the word down the line. Victory is ours.